Hey there guys, welcome back to Golden Rule. I'm Jordan Rosner, where we're all about making your home sweet home even sweeter. Today we're tackling a question that's been on a lot of your minds. Should your AC fan be set to auto or on? So picture this, it's a blazing hot day and you're craving that sweet relief of a cool breeze in your home. But before you start fiddling with your thermostat, let's talk about your AC fan settings. Now some of you might wonder, is it okay to leave the AC fan on instead of auto? Well, guess what? It's totally cool. If you want that fan running non-stop, keeping things breezy like a summer day at the lake, go for it. Just keep in mind, it might give your energy bill a little nudge. Now let's talk about the difference between auto and fan on mode. When your AC fan is set to auto, it takes a chill pill until your home feels like state fairgrounds in August. But if you're all about that constant breeze, fan on mode keeps that fan hustling 24/7, whether your AC is working. Next, should you run the fan mode alongside your AC? Absolutely. It's like adding sprinkles to your ice cream cone. Makes everything better. Running the fan helps spread the refreshing air around your home evenly, so no room feels left out in the heat. And finally, is auto mode good for your AC? You betcha. Think of it as the laid-back option for your HVAC system. When your fan's set to auto, it only kicks in when your home needs some cooling TLC. That saves energy and keeps your AC unit in tip-top shape. So there you have it, friends. Your guide to mastering your AC fan settings, brought to you by Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical. Whether you're team auto or team on, remember to keep your home comfy, your energy bills manageable, and your AC unit happy. If you ever need help with your fan settings or any other HVAC needs, you know who to call. Your pals at Golden Rule. Until next time, stay cool.